Welcome to the official guidelines for installing, configuring, and troubleshooting NVIDIA drivers on Modisha OS. These procedures are designed for stability and ease of use. 1. GPU identification. First, verify that your NVIDIA GPU is detected. Run the command lspci grep iNVIDIA. You should see your GPU model listed. 2. Driver installation, standard installation. Update your packages, sudo apt update. Install the NVIDIA driver, sudo apt install NVIDIA driver, clean installation. If you want a fresh start, sudo apt purge, NVIDIA sudo apt auto remove. Then reinstall sudo apt install NVIDIA driver reboot when finished. 3. Disable Nuvo. To avoid conflicts, disable the open source. Nuvo driver, open the configuration file, sudo nano, etc. modprobe, deblacklist Nuvo. Conf, insert the following lines. Code is blacklist, Nuvo options, Nuvo mode, set dir 0, update the initramps sudo, update initramps u, reboot the system. 4. Module verification. Check that the NVIDIA module is loaded. lsmod, grep NVIDIA. If you see output, the driver is active. 5. Graphics server, LightDM and Xorg Modisha. OS uses LightDM as the display manager. Verify the active manager cat, etc. Chucks X11 default display manager. It must show USR SBN LightDM. If needed, reinstall and reconfigure sudo apt install. Reinstall LightDM sudo. dpkg reconfigure LightDM reboot afterwards. 6. Wayland Modisha OS does not use Wayland. The environment is based on Xorg and fully compatible with NVIDIA. 7. Troubleshooting. If you encounter a black screen, press Ctrl Alt F2 to access the console. Check GPU status with NVIDIA SMI. If the driver is active, you will see the GPU model and running processes. 8. Hybrid Systems Optimus. To force the use of the NVIDIA GPU on laptops, prime select NVIDIA, reboot the system. Conclusion. Following these steps ensures a stable and reliable NVIDIA driver installation on Modisha OS. This guarantees compatibility performance and an optimal graphical experience.